Hello and welcome to Excel Essentials. In this session, we'll be covering the count formula. The count formula is an amazing tool in Excel and it allows you to count the number of cells which contain numeric values. And this could be dates, numbers, percentages, fractions. But the count formula doesn't count cells with text in it, errors, or empty cells. And here we can see an example of what the formula looks like. And here we've got a little list where we've got some letters, some numbers, and some empty cells. So we can test this out as well. Just so we have a reference point, I'm just going to select here just to the side of the table, and I'm just going to put in 1, hold control and hit enter, so I get 1 across all this range, and that tells us we have 21 cells here, 18 filled with values and 3 empty cells. So let's just make a note of that. So 18 cells with value or text and 3 empty cells. Now if we wanted to look at what were numbers, here we could use the count formula. So we're just going to do equals count, and we're just going to select everything in this column in our list table. And then we're just going to close that and hit enter, and we can see there are 9 cells which contain a number, percentage, date, time, fraction. It contains a value basically, and that tells us there are 9 cells that have text in or are errors, and we know we've got 3 empty cells. And we can test this out as well by selecting all these cells with actual values. And as we can see from here, we have 9 cells which have values. Stay tuned for more Excel Essentials.